you all about where you are. You look at this place and it's absolutely beautiful. This is paradise. But of course, you know, almost 6,000 people died. With the tsunami in total, it affected 13 countries. About 250,000 people dead. That was the death toll.
As far as Tommy, all I can think about is like the people who lost loved ones.
As a model, we travel to the most beautiful places. But every island, every country has a story. It's important to respect the culture, to respect the history.
I'm a soldier, you know, and I don't see it, but I really